Hey everyone, this is a quick flip through of the traditional Christmas junk journaling collection. This is available now on Amazon and it's printed on matte paper. They're a little thicker than regular computer paper, but not that much thicker. But we start out and I just have double-sided pretty paper with pattern paper on both sides. You see the whole thing? There we go. And it's a very traditional, warm, kind of green and red Christmas feel. Really pretty details. And then I've included the same papers, but we have neutral backs. And that way, if you're using them for a journal card or something, then you'll have a pretty back. But I've included all of the same papers. So this is actually a really thick book. All right, now we have a ton of tags, just little word tags, and then blank ones so you can put your own words, and then another set of different words and the blank ones again. And these are just fun little printable signs to go on. These are actually designed to be cards. They can be used as like Christmas cards or journaling cards. I had somebody ask, and the best way I have found to get into here is to use an X-Acto knife to cut that as close as you can and get a nice straight line when you're cutting them out. Here's some labels and word labels. Lots of pockets with some cute little decorative pieces you can put on them. And then I have a series of envelopes and they have pretty backs to them. These are larger envelopes. And more cute little labels, a little smaller, just words that you can tear or rip out in different colors. These fun little pockets with a window you can cut out. And some giant fussy cuts and some little labels and words. Then we have several pages of tags and cards. Hopefully we've covered just about everything so you can have a really full kind of pocket of ephemera. These are journaling cards that I've just collaged on there digitally. And these are pockets, and there's a little one, and these are the larger pockets if you want the tall pockets with them that are meant to go with those tags and stuff. So anyway, that is the traditional Christmas book flip through. So I'll link up everything below. These have been so fun for me to get in the mail. Yours won't have that. That's just for the authors to kind of preview. But they've been fun. When I get them every time, it's like Christmas. So I hope you enjoy them, and I will talk to you later. Bye.